If you're facing the frustrating issue of Huawei Cloud Backup failed, don't worry. This guide will walk you through the possible causes and practical solutions to fix it. Part 1. Why Huawei Cloud Backup failed. Huawei Cloud Backup may fail due to various reasons, including weak network connections, insufficient storage, account issues, or disabled backup settings. Battery optimization, outdated software, and server problems can also interfere, especially during large data backups. Part 2. How to solve Huawei Cloud Backup failed. Here are practical solutions you can follow. Start with the basic steps, as they resolve most issues quickly. 2.1 Check network connection. To fix this, ensure a reliable connection, restart your router, or move closer to it. You can also switch networks and enable Keep Wi-Fi connected during sleep in settings more battery settings for better performance. 2.2 Check cloud storage. Step 1. Go to Settings Huawei Account Cloud Storage Space to check available storage. Step 2. Delete old or unnecessary backups from Cloud Backup Manage backups. Step 3. Reduce backup items by disabling apps or data you don't need. Step 4. Upgrade your cloud storage if necessary. 2.3 Check Huawei account status. Huawei Cloud Backup may fail if your Huawei account is not properly signed in, verified, or facing sync issues. To resolve this, ensure you're signed in, sign out and back in after a few minutes, and verify your account status. 2.4 Update Huawei Cloud Backup app. Step 1. Open Huawei App Gallery and search for Huawei Cloud. Step 2. Update the app if available. Step 3. Restart the app and try the backup again. 2.5 Turn off battery saving mode. Step 1. Go to Settings Battery and turn off battery saving mode. Step 2. If needed, set Huawei Cloud to no restrictions under app battery settings. 2.6 Grant backup permissions. Step 1. Go to Settings Apps Huawei Cloud. Step 2. Tap permissions and enable access to storage, contacts, photos, and other required data. Step 3. If permissions are already enabled, try turning them off and on again. 2.7 Restart device. Step 1. Press and hold the power button, then tap Restart. Step 2. After rebooting, open Huawei Cloud and try the backup again. 2.8 Manual backup attempt. Step 1. Go to Settings Huawei Account Cloud Backup. Step 2. Tap Backup Now to start the process. Step 3. Keep your device connected to Wi-Fi and power during the backup. Step 4. If the backup is too large, try backing up data in smaller batches. Part 3. What to do if Huawei Cloud Backup failed repeatedly. If you're still facing Huawei Cloud Backup failed despite trying all solutions, the issue may be related to software, device compatibility, or server problems. If your Huawei phone runs on Android OS, you can try Coolmuster Android Backup Manager as a reliable alternative. It allows you to back up Android data to a computer, bypassing cloud issues, with a simple one-click solution and support for various data types, ensuring your data is secure. Step 1. After installing Coolmuster Android Backup Manager, open it on your computer. Make sure the software is up to date to ensure it recognizes your Huawei device. Step 2. Connect your Huawei phone to the PC using a USB cable or Wi-Fi. Unlock your device and enable USB debugging if prompted. Wait until the software detects your phone. Step 3. Go to the Backup section. Select the data types you want to save, such as contacts, messages, photos, videos, and apps. Make sure to select all items you need. Step 4. Click the Backup button to begin the process. Keep the device connected until the backup completes. Large files may take a few minutes, so make sure your phone and PC stay powered on during this time.